What's up, guys? Galapagos J here. So this is the second cart that I have. It just came in today. This is going to be my cart, and as you can see, it's a very old. Well, it's not very old, but it's sort of old. It's like 5 to 6 years old, and it's taken a beating. It is a Cosmic, so it's a OTK cart, and it's DD2 chassis, I think. It allows for shifter carts and DD2 engines and stuff like that. So this is a pretty sturdy chassis. I'm going to use it mainly for doing testings for engine ideas like modifications and things like that. But yeah, I'm going to have to really clean this up and really refurbish it because this looks really beat up. I'll show you around. So starting from the top, I mean, the bodywork is okay. There's not much problem with the bodywork, just a bit of a wipe clean here and there. That'll be fine. But the throttle is broken. You can see that it's, you know, they're using this what was this, electrician's tightening sort of thing to tighten down the throttle cable. I mean, that side is also terrible. The brake side, oh my god. And there's a lot of rust, dirt. The brake system in the front, there's plenty of rust on it. I'm gonna have to really clean it up. And there's a tank, and the cable's all snapped because it's just too old. It's all crispy and stuff. I don't know why they did that to the brake cable. It's not the brake cable, the tubing. But I'm gonna have to tear it all out. Just make it look nice and stuff. That's the steering wheel, nice and nasty. Hopefully I can clean that out. You know, it's got a bit of a tear and things like that, but I think all the black stuff I can clean it out with like detergent. That's the I think oil drum. That's to control the front brake system. And yeah, I mean, all the fuel lines are really old. It's all crispy and stuff. The seat is dirty. That's the battery mount for the electric startup. The worst is the brake disc. I mean, look at that. Just have to replace the entire brake disc altogether. The axle, I don't know. May have to polish it a little bit. I'm not too happy with this exhaust system, this downpipe. And the way they put it, it's sort of melted through the back bumper. And for some reason they had to cut it. Don't know why they did that. But you know, a lot of times the way people do their own fixes and things, they do more destruction than actual fixing. So I'm gonna really have to clean this up. Replace some of the screws, you know, and really polish it. And this is all bent, you know, this is all bent. I'm gonna have to replace that as well. But anyway, hopefully, yeah. But anyway, it's gonna be a pretty big endeavor. So yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. That's it. That's it for this video. Just a very short update. And I'm still working on this one. This one's almost done. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Peace.